Hey, let me talk a little bit about the two jigging setups that we're using today for both shivering and for the jigging. They're very similar setups, it's just you're gonna have to go a little heavier for the Shiver Minnows. So for the jigs, what I wanna use is first of all a 6'3" rod. I like a medium light rod for this. When you pop that jig, or even with the ripple shack, rip that jig up off the bottom, kind of loads up and gives that jig a little bit more oomph when it's coming off the bottom. Plus with the no stretch line, you're gonna have plenty of action to actually fight that fish in. Now as far as the no stretch line, really like that Carrier 8, the Ultra Carrier 8, mainly because it's a little smoother than regular fire line, so it casts a little bit further, and in this fairly clear water like they got at Ottertail, long casts are real important. We're still going to put a fluorocarbon leader in front of this. I like to use a 10-pound test fluorocarbon leader, about 2 foot long, and tie that directly to the jig. Now, like I said, just a little bit heavier for the Shiver Minnow setup. We're going to go to a medium rod, a little bit stiffer because of the extra weight of the Shiver Minnow. We're going to go to a little heavier pound test, 10-pound test of the Carrier 8, and we're going to go to 15-pound test leader. So again, very, very similar when you look at the two setups. A little bit heavier for the Shiver Minnows. Both of them are going to let you feel the bites down there real well and get those fish to the boat.